Guys, we got a freaking car in the surf. Guys, want me to get that?
It's gotta be up to her, man. How's it going?
Wes, nice to meet you.
Nice.
That's what I do.
Yeah, he's one of them in the water.
Oh,
It's gotta be up to her.
That's crazy. You want me to get that? We do it for free.
I don't know. You can talk.
Yeah, I do off-road recovery. I'll do it for free.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I would love to get it. Yeah, it shouldn't be too hard.
I'm sorry. Thank you.
That's all good. Yeah. All right, well. Looks like we're going swimming. How cold is this water right now? Oh, that's not too bad. That's not bad at all. Guys, what in the world? There we go. Trying to get this thing in there, in the waves. That's funny. Can't really see what you're doing here. Ugh. There we go. Gotta get that axle strap around it. Get it hooked up. Non-stop waves here. Oh, that's a big one. Whew. It's hard to get that connection point in there. I think I gotta back up a little bit, let some more line out, hit it again. All right, now I'm gonna run a bridle to this thing, because it's starting to get locked up and dragging, and I don't want to bust this one axle strap, so we're just gonna run a bridle real quick. That should be the easiest way to do it.
Dude, that thing's well, everything went pretty smooth. We got this thing dragged out. My buddy John jumped in, and together we pulled it off the beach. Honestly, he pretty much did it by himself in his Ram, but I was there for moral support. So we dragged it all the way up into the parking area, then the tow truck came, loaded it up, and off she went. And then about an hour later, we went and did another recovery, so let's pick it up there.
All right, here we go. We just pulled up. This is Corpus Christi Pass. We're gonna opt to pull it from the back. Shout out to these guys though, and the homie Steven and Rodney. They waited for me to get here so we could do it and get video for you guys. So here we go. Dang, he just told me there's another one down the road, but we're getting this one hooked up now. It's in there. It's a heavy truck, but the Rhino rope should get it. A couple little pulls. If it doesn't come out with a couple easy pulls, then we'll just winch it. All right, we got another recovery. This is the third one in about an hour. This guy came out here for a fishing spot. It smells so bad out here. This is all like salt flat mud water. Oh yeah, as soon as you get out, it's just kind of squishy. But man, what a view. This is nice out here. Smells horrible though. It's all salt water. What's up, dude?
What up, man?
Yeah.
I done fucked up.
It's all good. You actually...
It's starting to get harder over there.
I know. Do you have front toe points on it?
No.
Okay.
No.
We'll slap a hitch in the back of it, and I'll just drag it out this way.
Okay.
All right. We'll go plug one of my hitch shackles in on there, and then I'll just run this one to my D-ring over here with a soft shackle right there. Got all this Rhino straps, shackles, soft shackles, hitches. That's what we do.
All right, boys and girls, we got Wes running Rhino USA sponsorship. Pulling this rig out right here. Sorry, it's kind of, he's gonna have to pull it. Trying to get a good view. There we go. Oh. There we go, that Rhino USA. And there you have it. Got that kinetic rope.
That's how you do it. Just light the trail. Yeah. Yeah. What do you think, Harris? He's been on the beach for 10
On the
minutes.
way down here, my damn transmission
Is it gas?
was leaking, and
I was trying to
put a little bit in the damn transmission with a turkey pastry.
I
I fucking dripped this shit onto the header and about set my damn truck on fire.
No, it didn't.
I swear to God. It
Wow.
abandoned
Speaking
gas
of
station
setting things
parking
on
lot.
fire, this guy's about to set himself on fire right
So
now.
I got a little
We got
shower with the diesel.
Mom over here going to break it up, but
Sandbag 50 yards.
yeah. The longer it marinates, I don't know if it's gas or diesel.
I think it's diesel.
You're on the beach, bro. You can't just light something on fire. Here you go. Oh God, Anthony's gonna add more gas to it now. Did he see them put all that on there? I don't know. Oh, back up, Anthony.
Anthony, does he know that?
No, you're good.
Oh!
You're good.